In this video, we're looking at the Anker Soundcore 2. This is definitely going to be one of the most affordable speakers by Anker. This has stereo surround, 12-watt speakers, IPX7 waterproof, has got a 5,200 milliamp hour battery, which is going to give you 24 hours of non-stop music. Wireless stereo pairing. You can get this in 4 different colors: blue, black, red, and teal. Built-in BassUp technology. You can also pair 2 Soundcore 2 speakers together to create an even better surround sound experience. Unfortunately, this one still is micro USB charging. Really nice solid construction here. Overall, it's a pretty compact speaker. Really nice rubberized material here on the outside. All the controls there along the top. You've got the power button, volume up and down, and Bluetooth pairing button as well. Nice Anker logo there on the back. You got a rubber flap there on the side where you plug in the power and the 3.5mm auxiliary port. Once it's powered up, you can see it starts flashing blue where it goes right into pairing mode. As you can see, this one's pretty easy to connect to your cell phone. Now for the next part of the video, you'll definitely want to use headphones. I'm going to be doing an audio test with several different songs. That way you can get an idea of what this speaker sounds like. Surprisingly, this speaker actually has quite a bit of sound for something this small. It doesn't have a whole lot of bass until you turn it all the way up, but I'm definitely liking how this sounds. Hopefully you could at least tell a little bit of what it sounds like from those clips. I mean, it's really gonna be hard to beat this speaker at this price. Overall, I feel like the sound on here is pretty impressive for a speaker this size and for how affordable this speaker is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.